Hey guys, so today we're at the beach. We haven't been here in so long, and we had a picnic earlier. We didn't vlog it, but we're here now, and this is our view. And it's so nice.
Cocoa Beach.
Yep, and we're just taking pictures, and we went in the ocean, and I got some salt in my eyes. And yeah. Do you have anything to say?
Not really, just that it's gonna be an awesome day. We're gonna take lots of photos, maybe a few videos. We're planning a walk pretty soon, so maybe we'll take a little video of that, okay?
Yeah, we had subs and fruit and donuts, and they had free coffee at Dunkin' Donuts, so we tried free samples.
Well, she tried free samples.
He doesn't like coffee.
Yeah, but she had my sample.
How do you like the beach so far?
So swaggy, just like always.
Where are we going?
We're going up to the pier. We're gonna stop by Under It and On It.
We're going for a walk, and we got people to take our picture because I hate asking people, but we needed our picture taken. So yeah, and now we're going there. We're gonna see if they let us up on the ledge. Sometimes it's open, but sometimes it's not. Sometimes we gotta pay.
We aren't paying.
Yeah.
We don't got money with us.
Oh yeah, I totally forgot that they were doing
You know?
Yeah, like no putting a splinter in there on purpose. This is under the pier. You usually are allowed to go right there and they blocked it off. It's a very new thing.
That's crazy. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, it's all dark.
That's okay. It's not as dark as you think. What are you doing?
That's last Tuesday. That's Tuesday. It can get worse. Yeah, I know.
Hey guys, so we just got done at the pier and they didn't let us up on like the little park because you had to go through the restaurant with shoes, and we didn't bring shoes with us, and our spot we'd have to walk all the way back, and it's just not worth it to go through a restaurant. But we went into like a little shop and we saw lots of cool clothes.
Well, you saw lots of cool clothes.
I love clothes.
Yeah, she's a hoodie addict.
I have all those hoodies at my house except one. And now we're walking back to our spot and we're gonna eat another donut.
Guess what type? You guessed it, Boston cream.
Ooh.
Both of us.
Hey guys, so now we're back. Sitting down, eating There's
we
a tower.
built a giant moat to protect it against the water and the seaweed. Evil seaweed. Right here's our booby castle. It's a booby trap, that's what it's called.
A booby trap.
Yeah. And it'll protect us.
And we try to put like little moats because then like the water can't get to it. And at first the water got to it, and then we realized we had to build a moat. So we did, and we worked so hard. So we decided we put it in the bog.
Yeah.
We're all sandy now.
Plenty of sand.
But you know, we wanted to record it before some kid comes and smashes it. So that's what we did. You want to say anything else to our viewers?
I think I'm good.
You guys should thumbs this video up if you think we have a good tower and defense.
And subscribe.
Now we're about to go in and eat. Hey guys! So we just left the beach and it was so much fun. And we went back in the water and we were like playing in the waves and like jumping over and jumping under.
You guys know how it is.
And we watched our fort. Our fort on the left looked pretty good. I mean, the booby trap fell out, but that's
what
okay.
happens.
It's what happens, and it's just sand. And we had a lot of fun, and now we're looking for an ice cream place.
It's called Tropic Ice Cream.
So it says it will be there in 3 minutes, so I'm guessing it's pretty close. I don't know if you guys can see, but like all like my freckles came out and it looks like crazy.
Crazy good.
My nails are like chipping, but I'll just repaint them. It's okay. But we use this EOS today, and it has
Sunscreen.
EOS Active Protection, Broad Spectrum, SPF 30 sunscreen, lip balm, fresh grapefruit.
So you know our lips weren't burnt today.
Yeah, and it's like I have EOS lip balm and like got sunscreen in it, and I just thought, you know, we could put regular sunscreen, but why not just be like cool? Whoa. So we'll update you guys when we get ice cream.
Yeah.
This is the ice cream we got.
Is it? Hello.
So it's the next day now, and we're on our way to our band banquet. And we were both in band, so there's a band banquet, and
we're gonna go rock it.
Yeah, and we're supposed to get dressed up, so I'm in just like a little dress. And he's got his suit, and his bow tie matches because it's like black and gold dots, and my dress is black and gold. And right now I don't even have my shoes on yet. I don't want to hurt my feet until I have to. We're both really burnt from the beach.
Yeah. Yeah, the beach was awesome except for after the beach, but it's okay.
So we're just... Yeah, we're okay. I got sun poisoning last year, so this is like nothing compared to it. It still hurts, but we'll make it through it. And so we're going there, and maybe we'll get in some video there. We'll have to see.
We'll have to see.
Hey guys! So today is
March 26th.
May 26th. And we haven't vlogged in a while. It's like a new thing to us, so we're trying not to like push it, but more of it just be fun for us.
Yeah.
So we went to Starbucks, and he got some green tea, and I got the pink drink because I love the pink drink. And now we're at Dairy Queen for lunch because they have like chicken tenders and stuff. And we'll show you what we get. Yeah, so she's going to and got chicken tenders. The chicken tenders. What did you get?
I got a chicken sandwich. See, we're still at Dairy Queen. Oh wait, no. It's actually much later right now and we've had quite the day. But we're back at Dairy Queen.
We had receipts for free dilly bars.
So, we're
We
eating.
claimed them. And they're pretty good.
I've never had a dilly bar before, neither has she.
They taste like chocolate chip cones, but it's free and they're pretty big, so it's worth it. And tomorrow, we're both pretty busy, so we'll probably be vlogging again. This will probably be the end of this vlog, and the next
Sunday.
Yeah, and we'll start vlogging again for the next vlogs. Bye guys.